Fiverr is the best freelance website to earn money as a beginner. If someone tell you this, just said to him,
"You're a liar!"
According to me, 90% of the beginner freelancers usually fails to get any order on Fiverr due to so much competition. Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you guys about top 3 websites, which are free to use and where the competition is nearly nothing as compared to Fiverr. So, without wasting any time, let's start our video. So, our first website is taskshift. This is an amazing website. It is just like Fiverr, but it is a brand new website and there is only a few services are available here. Most people don't know about it, so it is a perfect opportunity for you guys to earn some money from it. To start working, you just have to click on Start Selling and then sell your services. Now, I will show you guys the competition on this site. If I search for t-shirt design, you guys can see there is only 13 services available. On the other hand, there are 25,000 services available on Fiverr. Out of 13, 12 have got orders. It means that if you create an account on this site, you will definitely get orders. The second one is Dribbble.com. This website is especially for graphic designers. It can also be act as an alternative of 99 Designs. This website allows you to showcase your expertise to your clients for free. Here you can create an account simply by using your Google ID. You have to upload your work, like these designers, and client will contact you for the work. You can also find freelance projects through which you can earn a healthy income. For this, I will click on For Designers. Here you can find full-time and freelance work. Let's see freelance projects. Here you guys can see there are different freelance projects. The budget of these projects is also very healthy. To start working, just click on the project. Here you can read the instructions and requirements of the client. Once you have done, you guys can contact to the client. The third website is Solid Gigs. This is a premium website where you guys can find work according to your need. This is a stunning website for freelancer to earn extra money. So, these are the top 3 websites for beginners according to me. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment box. Finally, thanks for subscribing to my channel.